Welcome back to All by Oli Design. Today I'm going to show you how to sew the snaps. Then take a snap and place it where you need to be sewn on the garment. I will take same color thread and the needle, and I will start from pinching a little bit of the garment, and then you pull the needle through the hole. Hide the knot right behind the snap, and then repeat 2-3 times this move. After you sew one side, we're gonna move the needle through the fabric to the next hole, and then we'll sew this side as well. So we have to sew through all 4 holes. Sometimes the snaps comes with the 3 holes, sometimes with the 4, so it all depends what kind of snaps you're using. When you almost finish, make a knot. I always, when I finish to make a knot, I will go through the fabric behind the snap just one more time and then cut the thread. So one side is ready, and now we have to sew the other side as well. It's pretty much exactly the same how we did with the first snap, and just repeat same process. Then do the knot at the end, and our snaps are ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tip will help someone who doesn't know. Subscribe for more.